In this lesson, you will learn how to include images in an HTML document. Images enhance visual appearance of the web pages by making them more interesting and colorful. The img tag is used to insert images in the HTML documents. It is an empty element and contains attributes only. The syntax of the img tag is img source URL space alt and the description of alt attribute. Each image must carry at least two attributes, the source and alt. So here we have put img tag, the source. The file name is girl.png. Inside the same location where this lesson15.html is located. The alt attribute provides an alternative text for the image if it is unavailable or cannot be displayed for some reasons. Maybe the end user internet connection is slow, so its value should be meaningful substitute for the image. So in this first line of code, we have written this code img source girl.png alt girl picture. So if I will execute this code, so you will see this girl picture it is appearing here in resultant to this line execution. In the next line, we have mentioned source girl.png alt attribute, and here we can mention the dimensions, width and height of the image. 250 width is 250 pixel and height is 350 pixel. So this is the picture, means we have controlled the dimensions of the picture, height and width. So if again we will change the dimension, width and height for the same picture, so you can see the same picture, it looks little bit bigger. So in these three examples, we have given the internal file link, internal image link from our computer, but there is a scenario where it is required to link an image that is not located in your server or computer directory. So in that case, in the source attribute, you have to mention the external complete URL of the specific image. So that I will change, for example, this size, I will make it 350. So I will save and I will execute this code. So you can see this is the external image. So it is pointed to wikimedia.org. So in this lesson, we have learned about image tags. So we have learned how to insert an image, how to define an image in an HTML document, how to use the HTML source src attribute and alt attribute, how to control the dimensions, width and height of image, also how to link the external image in HTML document.